With a sublime Coyote motor, a thoroughly upgraded suspension, and an interior full of modern conveniences, this red-hot 1970 Mustang is infinitely stylish and everyday reliable. The beneficiary of a six-figure reboot, this slick pony features a custom combination of Lexus 2-stage and Cadillac tri-coat. Take one look down the sides of that pigment and it becomes very obvious that all the car's professional metalwork was finessed to better than factory standards. Those straight and ripple-free surfaces were aligned to a level of fit that would create solid reflections at any summertime car show. Open the doors and you'll find a custom leather interior that wraps modern style around modern convenience. Heated seats, which feature full power adjustment for the car's driver, wear red striped leather. A custom console founds a short shifter between chrome window switches and touchscreen audio. A leather-wrapped and body-matched dash hangs altimeter phantom gauges, and a polished Grant steering wheel spins a thick wood rim around a tilting column. Hoist the hood and you'll find a 5-liter dual overhead cam mod motor that twists easy horsepower into miles of pavement-scorching torque. Officially named Coyote, the powerful fuel-injected motor sends power to a Tremec 6-speed. Is there a better way to enjoy a warm summer day than behind the wheel of a fine Mustang convertible that's loaded with modern hardware and head-turning aesthetics? For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.